Hello. It's me, RDR DJ Katie Ruby. You know, girl. I just got a package in the mail. So I just wanted to unbox it for you guys. Let me turn on my other light. This is my horrible filming setup. I know, it's really bad. I need to get a better one eventually, maybe someday. We will get some better stuff, but this is my box I just got. I covered the address, so no worries. I won't show anybody where I live. It came to DJ Katie Ruby's and the D&E show, because if you don't already know, started streaming on Twitch about a year or so ago under the D&E show, because me and my husband started a channel together. And then I moved to my own channel, which was the DJ Katie Ruby channel. This should be art supplies. As you guys know, I do art-related stuff. I did recently order some things. I don't know if this is the art supplies, though, or hair stuff. Because I also have that coming, too, because as you can tell, I need to redo my hair because the purple is growing out. So let's see if this is the art supplies or the hair stuff. So yeah, I'll probably be doing another one of these mini unboxings soon because, like I said, I don't know if this is the hair stuff or the art stuff. That and my daughter's birthday is coming up soon, so we've got some stuff coming for her too, but I don't think this is it because I think that one is actually underneath my real name or under her name, I can't remember. I don't know. It is what it is. So, here we go. I have to hold the camera with one hand and cut this with the other hand. So, and I'm right-handed. So I'm using my right hand to do the cutting of the stuff. This is my first package of 2018. So that'll be exciting. I don't always get stuff, but every once in a while I'll get a few things here and there. We didn't really have much of a Christmas, so to me this is kind of like a Christmas present, like a late Christmas present. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back onto my X-Acto knife here for a second. Give me a second here. If you're going to use an X-Acto knife, I suggest always putting the lid back on it. I'm going to go ahead and stick it back in its area here, which this stuff is not even where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be underneath there. Alright, let's see here. What is in the box? Ooh, art stuff. Okay, so we got some paint brushes. This is a set of 15. This is premium quality artist brushes. I don't know how to say the name of this. Leocro Professional Artist Paintbrush Set. It says, before first use, prior to use, wash your brushes with warm water and soap. Wipe off excess water and reshape the brush head with your fingers. Air dry the brushes completely before storing or using them. You could do this using the pop-up stand included. Oh, I didn't know it had a pop-up stand included. Sweet. Store the brushes safely in the protective case included. Yay, I knew about the case, but did not know about the pop-up stand, so that's cool. How to clean your brushes after use. Wipe off excess paint from the brush using a paper towel or piece of cloth. Rinse off the remaining water or watercolor or acrylic paint with warm water and mild soap. Rinse off the remaining oil paint with odorless thinner or mineral spirits. Blech, my mouth. Sorry, guys. Repeat the washing and rinsing off the brush until the water runs clear. Wipe off excess water with paper towel or a piece of cloth. Well, we all know these things. If you already know how to paint and stuff like that, you know how to clean off your brush. Gently reshape brush head back into original shape. Fingers, air dry brushes. Pop up stand. Store the brushes safely. Protective case. Whoa. So this is made. This is made in China. It says. See. Okay. Before I open that up, I also got this big, nice Premier by Nicole clear acrylic paint palette. I have needed one because I only have. Okay, I'll show you the one I'm using right now for acrylic painting is really dirty, but the stuff that I was using last night is mildly dry. I can re-wet it, so, but yeah, I have this one right here that has little wells in it. The paint sticks to it really bad, though. And then I have this wooden one that is wrapped in foil. It came with my table easel, and then I have that one that I use for my inks, and that one's pretty dirty. It's really big, though. And then I have my oil ones in this little case one right here, but I don't like that